Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best fireplace insulation is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make to optimize your home's energy efficiency and significantly reduce heating costs. In this video, we will delve into the world of fireplace insulation, exploring various types, their functionalities, and key factors to consider when choosing the perfect insulation for your fireplace, ensuring a warm, cozy, and cost-effective winter season. Number 5. Rutland 1111 Fireplace Insert Insulation. This 10-foot strip of fiberglass insulation is designed for your fireplace insert. It's easy to install and creates an airtight seal, keeping heat in and cold air out. It's rated to withstand temperatures up to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, providing reliable protection for your fireplace and home. This ensures a long-lasting seal. With a convenient adhesive backing, installation is quick and simple. Just peel and stick it between the insert and the masonry. It creates a tight seal between your fireplace insert and the existing masonry, preventing drafts and heat loss. This helps maintain optimal efficiency. Remember to replace it each time you remove your fireplace insert for cleaning. This ensures it continues to perform at its best. At 10 feet long and 112 inches wide, it's the perfect size for most fireplace inserts. It's a simple solution for a significant improvement. What we like. It's easy to install thanks to its adhesive backing, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. If you need a reliable and simple solution for sealing your fireplace insert, this is it. This is a great option if you're looking for a straightforward and effective way to insulate your fireplace insert. Number 4. Midwest Hearth Insert Insulation. It has a self-adhesive backing, so installation is a breeze. Just peel and stick it where you need it. At 10 feet long, it's the ideal size for most fireplace inserts. You'll have plenty to work with. It effectively seals gaps between your insert and the masonry, preventing drafts and heat loss. With a 225 degree Fahrenheit rating, it can withstand the heat of your fireplace. It's built to last. Remember to replace it each time you remove your insert for cleaning. This ensures optimal performance. It's 10 feet long and 112 inches wide, providing ample coverage for your needs. What we like. The self-adhesive backing ensures quick and easy installation. If you value convenience and a snug fit to prevent drafts, this is the product for you. Consider this if you're looking for a long-lasting solution to seal gaps and improve your fireplace's efficiency. What people say. This insulation fixed the air leaks. It was well worth buying. The product worked as expected. It was easy to install and fulfilled the expectations. Completely stopped draft coming from gas fireplace perimeter. Number 3. Glass Fireplace Door Seal Kit. Is your fireplace letting out heat and letting in cold air? This kit provides a superior seal, keeping your home cozy and energy efficient. It's simple to install around your fireplace insert. It creates a tight seal, blocking air gaps and improving efficiency. It's designed to withstand temperatures up to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring long-lasting performance and safety. With 10 feet of material, it's perfect for most fireplace inserts. You'll get a complete and effective seal. Remember to replace it each time you remove your fireplace insert for cleaning. This will maintain its effectiveness. This high-quality fiberglass insulation is the perfect solution for sealing gaps around your fireplace insert. Enjoy a warmer, more efficient home. What we like. Its sleek black color blends seamlessly with most fireplace designs. If you prioritize aesthetics and a superior seal to keep heat in and cold air out, this is the one for you. This is an excellent choice if you want a stylish and highly effective insulation solution. What people say. Worked perfectly for insulating a smoky fireplace surround. My fireplace door was installed with the insulation that came with the door, but I still had gaps that needed to be filled. I bought this insulation and peeled the insulation in layers and stuffed them in the gaps between the brick and the door. It worked great. High quality. Excellent fireplace face insulation. Number 2. MEECO'S Red Devil 1105 Insert Insulation. It's a 10x1:12 fiberglass strip, providing excellent insulation between your fireplace insert and the masonry. This ensures efficient heat distribution and prevents heat loss. This forms a tight seal, preventing smoke and gas from escaping into your home. Enjoy a safe and clean fireplace experience. Installation is simple. Just place it between the insert and the masonry for a snug fit. Remember to replace it each time you clean your wood stove insert. It's designed for a wide range of fireplace insert applications, making it a versatile and essential accessory. It's perfect for various fireplace types and sizes. It's proudly made in the USA, ensuring high-quality materials and manufacturing standards. You can trust in its durability and performance. Upgrade your fireplace with MEECO'S Red Devil 1105 Fireplace Insert Insulation for superior safety and efficiency. Enjoy cozy warmth all winter long. What we like. This offers superior insulation and creates an airtight seal, ensuring safety and efficiency. If you demand top-quality materials and a product made with American craftsmanship, this is your best bet. Consider this if you are looking for premium quality and peace of mind. What people say. Easy to install. Works great. Use this on inside of my fireplace insert surround. Surround sits on a rocky surface, so needed this to stick to inside of surround and fill gaps once pushed against uneven rocky surface so cold air does not blow through. This works perfectly. Great insulation. The sticky side worked perfectly too. The package arrived earlier than promised. I had enough material to wrap my large wood-burning fireplace insert on sides and top, with a little extra. When you first receive the package, the wrap seems small, however it expands greatly and works well. Number 1. IMPRESA Fireplace Magnets. These powerful magnets are perfect for securing your fireplace blanket. They create an airtight seal, keeping cold air out and saving you money on your energy bill. Attach them directly to your blanket or use the included adhesive strips for extra versatility. It's easy to customize the installation to your needs. Made with heat-resistant materials, they can withstand temperatures up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, making them safe for use near your fireplace. These magnets aren't just for fireplaces. Use them to organize your classroom, attaching calendars, pen holders, and more. With a 4-pack, you'll find countless ways to use these magnets around your home. From securing appliances to organizing your kitchen, the possibilities are endless. At 10 inches long, these magnets provide superior holding power. They're strong enough to handle even the heaviest blankets and materials. What we like. Its strong magnets offer a secure and versatile solution for various applications beyond fireplace insulation. If you need a flexible and reusable option for securing blankets or other items, this is perfect for you. This is a great choice if you are looking for a multi-purpose solution and value versatility. What people say. Worked perfect on our fireplace. Magnets do a very good job with minimizing airflow around the fireplace cover. Almost hard to take off, but keeps our thick fireplace cover tight to screen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.